Because here, guys, people are not camera friendly. So make sure if you come to Kampala, Uganda, guys, like you have to be minding your business. Like what I'm saying, if you are filming, recording, you have to do it for yourself, because people don't love to be in the camera, especially without their permission, guys. So like I'm avoiding this. I'm also wishing and willing if I can interact with some local people here, guys. But most of people, they don't love that. They don't want to be in the camera without their permission, guys, especially in the market. So they don't care even if you're from Africa. Especially people from Africa, they're the one who face a lot of issue when they are vlogging or making videos in the city or making vlog around Uganda, guys. But for the foreigners, they are always friendly with them. Like with foreigners, guys, they are always so friendly with them. Yeah, let me show you, this is Kampala, guys. This is